Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing good. I'm also doing very good. Thank you so much. So, today's vlog we will cover the journey from Mulshi to Tahmini. This is the part 2 of my Tamhini Ghat vlog. If you haven't watched the first part, I will put link in description box. Do watch it. So, as of now, let's get started. In Pune, you get lots of options for one day outing. Tamhini is one of them. It's approximately 60 kilometers away from Pune. The way from Mulshi to Tamhini is as breathtaking as it could be. The best time to go here is August to September, and the roads from Mulshi to Tamhini is very good. So you are good to go by car or two-wheeler. Due to COVID situation, nowadays you can see roads are empty. People are scared to go out. But with precaution, you are good to go out. Now see this mesmerizing view. I'll just stop here to get a closer look. And my husband and my son, they are sitting in the car and waving to us. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. I can see one government bus passing by. It's well connected by road. Today we started our day early. I packed food for the journey also, so that we don't have to eat outside. Here me and my husband get down from the car to see a viewpoint. As usual, my son was not interested and was sitting in the car. So guys, this is the Tamhini waterfall. You can see individuals are enjoying here. So we are visiting here after monsoon, so maybe that's why water is less. Here we stopped to have our food, and you can see some monkeys here. See what he has to say. Meanwhile, my son started playing. He was getting very bored. And this is our lunch. Simple lunch for today. We got some puris and two vegetables, potato and pumpkin. And we enjoyed it with nature. Good life is like a collage of good memories, and today I added one more beautiful picture. On this note, time to say goodbye. Keep supporting us, guys, by clicking on our videos, watching it, liking it, and subscribing it. Thank you so much.
She's waiting for love to